What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Caesar with another unboxing video. And as you guys could tell by the title, I hit the sneakers app 2 dubs in the same day. Well, I hit once, my wife hit once, and it's the same shoe. So I did get the Nike Dunk High. Right here it says orange, but it's the Syracuse. And it also says, let me see, white, orange, blaze white. So everybody knows them as the Syracuse. So let me open them up. It's a regular box, and this is the female one, okay? My wife won the female one, and I won the male one. I got the size 12. I gotta show you guys, or else you guys aren't gonna believe me. I gotta hide my face too, if it's gonna focus in. So as you guys can see right here, size 12, the Syracuse, and then, oh, yeah, I got the Jordan 1 UNCs right here. So I hit them up big twice. I actually got these what are they? They're Jordan 5 Lows golf shoes. They're like the tie-dye going on. I got a deal on those too. So you guys, me and the wifey hit them up twice. You guys, you have to, a lot of people say jick your address, which means you have to change the address. So I have 3 accounts total, okay? And I live on an avenue, right? So on one account, I have AVE, okay? That's avenue abbreviated. On another account, I have AV with a period, another abbreviation. And then on the third account, I have avenue spelled all the way out. So, you know, my address is, everything else is the same, the numbers and everything. It's just you got to change up. If it's a street, you know, on one, you're going to put ST, and then you're going to spell out street on another one. I mean, if you guys live on a drive, you spell out drive, and then DR on one, and then DR period, however you guys want to do it. But don't put the same exact address for each sneakers account that you have. So definitely change it up. That's what I recommend, and that's how we did it. Like, this is a draw that me and my wife won, and we were like, I was starting to think like that that either the bots were eating up all the draws, or that you had to get super lucky. Like, I just thought that I wasn't going to be able to hit. And when we hit twice in one shoe drop, I was like, man. Okay, so like I was so happy, and I was like, you know what? I was going to start only putting one sneaker account on draws. Like I was just gonna start doing one, because I thought that they were on to me, that they were, you know, they were starting to filter out everybody that had the same address, but turns out they're not. So I'm gonna continue doing the draws. So let's actually check out the sneaker. And I did open it up and check it out already. And you guys, I could tell you right now that the material is not the greatest. It does not, it feels a little like cheapy. And if you guys could see, like right here, it just doesn't, like, the material is not the greatest. So it was $125 on the sneakers app. And that's with tax, and we did a 2-day shipping. So with the 2-day shipping, we were able to track it. So I actually sold these a day before I actually got them on GOAT. So we made a clean $50 off of these, right after processing fee and all that garbage. So $50 already. I just have to send it in. That's the only thing I have to do. And I mean, I like the colorway, but I'm telling you guys, like, this is like, I feel like this is like a GS pair. You know how, like, when they release the adult pair is legit, and the GS pair, sometimes it's not like all there. The material that they use is a little cheap compared to the adults. That's how I feel this is. So here is another look at it. Let me do a little spin around for you guys. I mean, like I said, colorway is sick, but another thing is, like, these are super light. I know they're a size 8, so they're on the small side, but I just feel like these are light, not the greatest material. It does not come with other laces. It's just going to be the orange laces, which is not bad at all. They got the orange laces; those are cool. So here they are right here, and just want to reiterate on the sneakers draws. I'm going to continue putting all 3 accounts, and hopefully we're going to be able to hit again. And I just, I couldn't believe it. I was actually driving, and I saw a notification, because the draw was for 10 minutes, but I had to just put in the draw, and I had to take off. I had to go to work. So when I saw the notification, I was like, what? And then my wife hit me up and she was like, she got him too. And I was like, man, I was like, that's sick. So I guess they don't look at addresses that far in if you guys, you know, of course, mix up the addresses. Don't do the same avenue spelled out, avenue spelled out for every single account. You guys have to change that information up within your sneakers account. If you like this video, don't forget to like, consider subscribing. Any comments, if you guys cop, let me know in the comment box below, and I'll check you guys out on the next video.